In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make YouTube to recommend your videos to other users. In case you're new here or haven't subscribed, I'm Gloria. I do tricks and tips videos to help grow your YouTube channel fast. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. YouTube's suggested video column is made up of 3 sets of videos. One is suggested videos. These are videos that are suggested to you because you like watching similar content. The second one are related videos. These are videos that are suggested to you because they are related to your type of videos. Then the third one is recommended videos. These are videos that are recommended according to what viewers always be watching or like. So to determine which video the algorithm will place for you, YouTube uses metrics such as watch time, click-through rate, relevancy, and so many others. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get them to recommend your videos out to viewers in a simple way and how you can manipulate the algorithm. So the first one is create engaging video content. By this I mean create videos that will keep people watching for a long time. For example, if you have made a video of 10 minutes, at least keep people watching for 7 or 6 minutes. Let them watch for long or even around 9 or 8 minutes there. So in that way, your video is going to be getting a lot of traffic from people and you will get a lot of engagement. Now that's because YouTube always promotes those videos that keep viewers watching for a long time on YouTube. Like those videos are really promoted so fast and suggested to very many people because they know it is bringing engagement, it's bringing like a lot of traffic on YouTube, because YouTube always want people to keep watching, to keep being on the platform for a longer time. So that way YouTube is going to suggest your video out to very many people. The second thing that you need to do is encourage engagement actions. With this I mean likes, dislike, comments, all those ones are called engagement. So if someone dislikes your video, just know you are getting engagement and YouTube is going to recommend that video straight away because they know it is engaging. So when a viewer has an emotional reaction expressed to a video in forms of likes, dislike, and comments, it always makes the watch time to be longer, like the watch session to be longer, because the time they spend to react on your video and all that. So YouTube likes this, and then YouTube will be viewing you in a different way. So the third thing you need to do is to optimize your video titles. So I use my title to do 3 things which will really impact on the video algorithm. So the first step in generating watch time is to get someone to start on my video. This one here, titles and thumbnail, play a big role in this because they are the first impression that people see every time they come or when they're looking for a particular video. As long as your title is catching and your thumbnail is also catching, they will click and you'll get higher click-through rate, which will result into high watch time, and also your videos will be suggested by YouTube algorithm. Then to that, to tell the algorithm that my videos are relevant to each other, I indicate this relation to the algorithm by relating my videos to another, like the video title. For example, I could be like how to get your video suggested, then I put the name of my channel, YouTube growth, yeah, like that. This for a fact will make that video to stand out because it has the elements that the algorithm is looking for to get this video recommended. Then the third thing is to try and secure a higher rank for my videos in a particular keywords. Like this one mainly, if you're putting your tags, description, stuff like that, you know which keywords you want your video to rank for. Like for a particular video, you know there are those keywords that people will obviously type in order to search for such videos. So you put those keywords to help your video rank, to get your video also recommended to other people with such videos and they have a lot of views or more views than you, also to get more subscribers in the channel. You need to do this. So this action is mainly very important to help you get placement in suggested column, because now when you make a video, it's not like only you who has made that video. There are very many people with such videos and they have already got so many views. So for you to get somewhere and be seen by other people also, you need to do this. The keywords, you need to get your thumbnail going, you need to get the title right, everything needs to be on point so that your videos can be recommended there, so that your thumbnail is appearing somewhere, like your title is where also others are having their title, so that when someone really come along and search for any keyword and you already have that keyword, your video is going to be recommended to them and they'll watch it to get you more watch time, more views, and at the end of it you find that you have gained some subscribers from those people who are viewing your videos. The fourth thing you need to do is to optimize YouTube video metadata. Description, tags, and closed captions, these are all very important aspects of metadata on YouTube. With this, you should know that your description should be minimum of 3 sentences and placed on top of description section before anything else, before even you put your link. Then the fifth thing you need to do is to interlink your videos via playlists, putting those old videos there and putting the links of some of their videos to the description, commenting on the older videos, stuff like that with the newer links, because people will keep watching. There are some people who are going to be watching your old videos, there are those ones who are going to watch your new videos. So the moment you link up your links with those old videos, those people are going to find those links there and they'll try their best to check on these other new videos. That way you'll be getting engagement in the channel, you'll be getting viewers, you'll be getting your videos suggested. Even if they're old videos, you still find that engagement is still going on here and there on YouTube, and then the algorithm will pick up such videos and also continue to suggest them to other people who are looking for such videos on YouTube. Therefore, I can tell you that those actions of comment, dislike, like has really a lot of impacts on the algorithm to help them suggest your video to more people and also to promote your videos outside there. So you need them, and these are the ways that you can simply get them to get your channel blowing up. So the sixth thing you need to do is to upload compelling custom thumbnails. In my opinion, thumbnails are the most important thing to help someone click on your videos and also to help you get the high click-through rate, because your thumbnail is going to determine whether someone watch your video or not. Your thumbnail is going to determine whether your video will perform or not, because people will just come and check on the titles of those videos they want, and the most videos clicked are those ones that have really very catching, very good thumbnail that really attract people to come and check it out. And you know, the more that people click your videos, the more watch time you'll be getting there and the more engagement you're going to have on those videos. And also YouTube is going to promote such videos because YouTube want people to keep clicking, they want people to keep watching, and also they want people to stay on the platform for a longer time. Then the seventh point is start YouTube sessions. This one is in form of how someone come and spend time watching your videos. Like if someone comes once a week, someone could maybe watch 20 minutes of your videos, or spending 20 minutes in your channel to watch some few videos. But then you can also promote this, like you can increase this. You go on social media, you try to share your link with other people, you try to get a few people here and there, like try to tell them about those videos and they will come and check it out. That way you find like more watch time are coming to your channel because more people are coming to check on videos, more people are coming to watch a few things from there, and also it will help the algorithm to pick up such type of videos to suggest them outside there. And also there are very many other community that you can join to support you, like small YouTube community where you can post your videos and then afterwards those guys come to give you support in terms of commenting, liking, sharing, and also watching videos. So that way you'll be able to have like higher click-through rate, average watch duration will also go high, and then you find your videos suggested too. So if you want to know how to get more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours that you're looking for, please be sure to click on the playlist right here. See you there. Love you. Bye.